What's up, Tyler? I'm excited to break down this video. Thank you for submitting. Let's see what we got here. This first one, you block on a knee. Solid block. Solid block. Let's go back. Let's check the form. You start in a one knee stance. That's good. And then as the ball comes, glove goes down, foot kicks a little bit out. You cover up that gap. Very nice. You can see your chest over the ball there. That's exactly what we want. And then obviously the ball doesn't go anywhere. So that's a solid block, especially out of a one knee stance. Very nice. These next two, the hitter hits them, but it looks like it would have been solid receptions. You can see your glove moving down a little bit as if you were going to catch it and bring it down into the zone. Here's one. I want to break this down a little bit. This is the only one you catch in this video. You're on a knee. You ask the question, how does it look when you're on a knee if you catch it? And you ask specifically, do I catch it too far out in front? Let's break that down right there. So the way that you catch this one is fine. I like that you stick it out in front. The umpire is going to have a good time seeing that. You obviously bring it back down into the strike zone very well. It's well below the waist. What I would be concerned about on this is on the low pitch. You're going to have a hard time catching it that far out in front of you and having any leverage against the ball dragging you down. So on the low pitch in particular, you want to get it on the way out to extension, if that makes sense. Versus here, you caught that ball at extension. And on the high pitch, that's right. You want to do that on the high pitch, bring it back down. But on the low pitch, give yourself some more leverage. Catch it on the way out to extension. Otherwise, you look pretty solid, man. Keep up the good work.